Hello students, Metals and Nonmetals chapter is started already and you have come to know about the physical properties of metals and nonmetals. Physical properties are used to distinguish metals and nonmetals from each other. Metals and nonmetals are totally opposite from each other on the basis of their physical properties, although some of the physical properties are similar to that of metals and nonmetals. But chemical properties are the properties on the basis of which we can clearly distinguish metals from nonmetals, because the way of metals, how they behave with the other elements and compounds, is totally different from that of nonmetals. So today we will study about the chemical properties of metals. Hello students, the next topic is chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. First property is reaction with oxygen. How metals and nonmetals react with oxygen, we will know in this. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature. You know what is acidic substance, basic substance and salts, because you got it in class 7. So metal oxides are basic in nature. So basic substances, what they do, they turn red litmus to blue. So metal oxides are basic, so metal oxides turn red litmus to blue. So how metals behave or react with oxygen, we will understand by some examples. So first example is burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is a metal and it comes in the form of ribbon. Okay, white ribbon. Ribbon we use in our birthday parties, and girls also use this ribbon for tying their hairs. So like that, magnesium also comes in the form of ribbon. So when this magnesium ribbon is burned in air, that means in presence of air, if anything has to be burnt, then there should be the presence of air. Air contains oxygen. So when magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, it combines with the oxygen of air to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is a ash, white colored ash. So this substance is formed. Name is magnesium oxide. So this reaction can be written in the form of word equation like this. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Mg, symbol of magnesium is Mg. Oxygen O2, and formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. This is magnesium ribbon. It is burning in presence of oxygen and forms white colored ash, which is known. What is the nature of magnesium oxide? Then we have to dissolve magnesium oxide in water, because magnesium oxide is a solid substance and we cannot test the nature of a solid substance with the help of litmus paper without dissolving it in water. So magnesium oxide is dissolved in water for finding out the nature of magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide dissolves partially. It does not dissolve completely in water. So magnesium oxide dissolves partially in water to form magnesium hydroxide. This reaction can be written as magnesium oxide plus water gives magnesium hydroxide. Formula of magnesium oxide is MgO, water is H2O, and magnesium hydroxide is MgOH whole 2. Now, this magnesium hydroxide which is formed here can be tested with the help of red litmus paper to finding out its nature. Magnesium hydroxide, when tested with red litmus paper, it turns red litmus to blue, showing that it is a base and the magnesium oxide is a basic oxide. Similarly, sodium is another reactive metal which react with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is also basic oxide, and formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Iron is a metal which combines with oxygen of air to in presence of water or moisture to form iron oxide. Iron oxide is a reddish brown colored substance which is formed on the surface of iron, which is termed as rust, and this process is known as rusting of iron. Rusting of iron can be represented as iron plus oxygen plus water gives iron oxide. Symbol of iron is Fe, oxygen O2, water H2O, and iron oxide Fe2O3. Copper is another metal which reacts with water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen present in moist air to form a green coating on copper object. This green coating is formed on the copper object due to the formation of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. Nonmetals react with oxygen to form nonmetal oxides. Nonmetal oxides are acidic in nature. So nonmetal oxides, when tested with litmus paper, it turns blue litmus to red because it is acidic substance. So it turns blue litmus to red. Example is burning of sulfur in air. When sulfur is burnt in air, sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, and sulfur dioxide dissolves in water for finding out its nature, and then sulfur dioxide combines with water to form sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid is unstable, so instantly it forms sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid turns blue litmus to red. See, this is how sulfur is burnt. With the help of a burner, sulfur is taken on a spoon. This is a spoon, and the spoon is kept inside a gas jar with a lid, and then it burns inside the gas jar to form sulfur dioxide, and the spoon is taken out from the gas jar, and the gas jar is closed with the lid, and sulfur dioxide is closed inside the gas jar.